Incorporating video content into your website can be incredibly beneficial in many ways. Today's users often prefer watching videos over reading text, and unique videos created by or for your business can significantly enhance the impact on visitors. This boosts their trust in your company's legitimacy and the quality of your services. Adding videos to your website with VEVS Website Builder is simple and straightforward. Start by opening the site editor and navigating to the page where you want to add a video. Using the Add Content button, you can directly insert a video content block. Alternatively, you can utilize any content section that contains an image. All you need to do is click on the Edit Image button, change the media type in the image settings from image to video, and voila! You'll be able to place the video exactly where the image was. Please note that VEVS works exclusively with YouTube videos, so you'll need to upload your video to YouTube first and then simply paste the link here. You have various options for managing your video content. For example, you can choose whether the video player is displayed directly on the page or as a pop-up. If you opt for the direct display, the video will play right where it's embedded when a visitor clicks the button. With the pop-up option, the video will open in a pop-up window upon clicking. VEVS CMS also offers options for customizing the video iframe, such as height, size, and alignment. Additionally, you can modify some settings of the YouTube player itself, like whether the video should autoplay, whether video controls are shown or hidden, whether the video starts from the beginning or a specific time, and whether it should loop or stop when it ends. Besides content sections, you can also set a video as the background for the intro section of your web page. Simply choose the video type for the intro section, add your YouTube video, and you'll have the necessary controls to manage it. If you need any assistance with setting up your videos or any other aspect of your website, don't hesitate to reach out to the VEVS team. We're here to help.